Bobsy here, and it's been 2 days since we put on the excuse me, Chimney RX repair, the trowelable type. And like I said in the last video, now it's not very pretty. I mean, it's a little pretty over here. I was able to wet it down with spray bottle and use a trowel to smooth it out. But then as I came around, the surface started hardening up, and I couldn't get it to smooth out. It was just getting worse, so I just did the best I could. So I'd suggest that you do a section at a time, smooth it out, and then do another section. I almost used the all of the 2 gallons that come in the container for like $100. I found some vendor, I don't remember the name, but he had with free shipping $100. Amazon wanted like I think 130. So that's out there. But I just wanted to show you because I had concerns because I went thicker. They say to only go, go like I think like a 1/4 inch thick, and this is a heck of a lot thicker than a 1/4 inch, and I was concerned that it would crack. And as we see, I see no cracks, and it's quite solid. So I just wanted to share that in case you're thinking about this. It's a lot easier than coming up here with the hydraulic cement and a bucket of water, and you're on a pitch, and you're just trying to keep your balance, and then doing that, and then the hydraulic cement, from what I know, from what I heard and seen, you only got 5 minutes to get it down right, and that's nuts. But this stuff, it gives you time to work with it. So I just wanted to pass on that information because I know I had a lot of these questions. I didn't see anything out here, and that's the whole purpose for the video. So have a good day, and catch you on the next one. God bless. Bye.